subject social and topic name is economic fourth lesson government and taxes. Okay, so in this topic we have already seen tax, okay, introduction and also developing government policies we have seen, and also previous class we have seen tax system. Okay, in tax system we have seen canons. Okay, four canons. Canon mean principle. Four principle we have seen. Today we are going to see about tax. Okay, so the word tax is origin from the word taxation. Okay, so the tax in the word is origin taxation அப்படின்ற word வந்து origin okay, which means estimate means evaluate and otherwise called assessment. Okay, so next, the taxation means by which the government expenditure by imposing charges on citizen and corporate entities. Okay, corporate entities means companies as business. Okay, so the taxation imposed by government, okay, imposed by government on citizens and also corporate entities. Okay, they will now put some kind of taxes to the citizen and also particular state citizen and also for the corporate entities. Okay, next, the main purpose of the taxation is to accumulate funds and also running of the government. Okay, so the main purpose for collecting, okay, accumulate mean gathering tax mean in order to gather the funds, okay, in order to run the functions of the government. Okay, so why this is the main reason. Okay, this is the main purpose. They are collecting taxes. Accumulate mean gathering funds, okay, in order to run the governments. Okay, next, the tax is forefront the new concept. Okay, they are keeping one new concept, that is welfare state. Okay, in Tamil we can say Nalavariyam. Okay, next, the tax is a compulsory payment. Okay, so we have already seen tax is a very compulsory payment to the government without expectation direct or benefit to the taxpayer. Okay, so if we take tax is a very compulsory payment to the citizens. Okay, to the government they have to pay without expecting anything from the government. Okay, so here taxpayers means refers those are paying tax. No, okay, that is called as a taxpayer. Okay, so the citizen, those are paying tax without expecting anything to the government. எதுமே எதிர்பார்க்காம அவங்களோட வரியை அவங்க செலுத்தணும், அதுதான் என்ன சொல்றாங்க tax. Okay, so again I'm repeating, tax is a compulsory payment to the government without expectation direct or benefits to the taxpayer. Okay, so those are paying tax, they will not expect anything or special benefit from the government, but they have to pay the tax to the government. Okay, next, Professor Seligman, okay, by define tax. Okay, he is giving one definition to the tax. Okay, that is, tax is a compulsory contribution from the person to the government to defray means bear the expenses incurred in a common interest of all without reference to the special benefit conferred. Okay, but here the same thing only, that in tax is a compulsory payment of a person. Okay, by any person who is living in a particular state, they have to pay a tax. Okay, but to the government without here expenses means what are all the cost. Okay, what are all the in Tamil we can say that செலவுகள். Okay, என்னென்ன செலவுகள் வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் பண்றாங்களோ அதுக்கு நம்ம வந்து எது மூலமா அவங்க அந்த செலவை தீர்த்து வைக்கிறோம்னா taxes மூலமா. ஓகேவா, so those are paying tax without the common interest of all, without reference to the special benefits. Okay, without expecting any benefits from the government, they have to pay the tax. Okay, that is called tax, defined by Professor Seligman. Okay, next, why taxes? Why we have to pay the taxes? Okay, எதுக்காக நம்ம tax pay பண்ணணும்? So the state and the functional equivalents from the throughout the history used money provided. Okay, from the started history, okay, from the history itself they have provide some money in order to run the state in an equally. Okay, so in simple way we can say in order to the state, any particular state, they have to be equally, they have to run their government means they have to get some kind of taxes from the persons. Okay, a person means citizens. Okay, so by taxation to carry out many functions. Okay, so these taxes are used to run many functions. Okay, but carry out many functions included expenditure means அதுக்கான செலவுகள். Okay, paid out some reasons. Okay, so expenditure means என்னென்ன செலவுகளுக்காக அந்த taxes யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Okay, first one is infrastructure. infrastructure, transportation, sanitization, public safety, and education, healthcare systems, and military, scientific research. Okay. Okay, these expenditures include, we have already seen, scientific research and also cultural and the arts, public work and public insurance and the operations of the government. Okay, so the collection of portion of taxes they will use for these kind of expenditures. Okay, next the government has the ability to raise the taxes are called fiscal capacity. Okay, so when the government they are imposing many taxes, okay, the government வந்து அந்த திறமை இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா டாக்ஸ் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுறப்போட திறமை அதிகமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா அந்த அந்த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் டாக்ஸஸ்க்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ஃபிஸ்கல் கெப்பாசிட்டி. இன் தமிழ் we can say நிதித்திறன் சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் when the expenditures is raised, okay, when the expenditures is raised exceed, when the expenditure exceed the tax revenue, the government accumulate debt. Okay, so when the expenditures means the cost of paying out, okay, the கடன் அவங்க வந்து expenditure they have to spend more, means they have to gather debt means கடன். Okay, they have to collect gather debt. Okay, கடன் அவங்க வந்து வாங்க வேண்டிய நிலைமை இருக்கும். So the government has to gather debt. Okay, so from the debt, some portion of the taxes they will use for the service of the past debts. Okay, so when they are getting debt, no, okay, from that they have to pay the some amount to the past debts. Okay, இப்போ வாங்குற கடன்ல இருந்து அவங்க some portion எதுக்கு வந்து அவங்க கொடுக்க வேண்டியிருக்குன்னா முதல் வாங்கின கடனுக்கு அவங்க கொடுக்க வேண்டியிருக்கும். Okay, next, and the government use the taxes for the fund welfare and the public services. Okay, so after that the balance portions of the debt they have to use for fund welfare and also public services. Okay, here public services include education system, pensions for the elderly people, and also unemployment benefits, and also public transportation. Okay, so after that energy, water, and waste management systems are common public utilities. Okay, so if the cost of paying, okay, the cost of expenditures is exceed, okay, அதிகரிச்சிட்டே போகுது, அவங்க செய்யக்கூடிய செலவுகள் அதிகரிச்சிட்டே போகுதுன்னா they have to get, okay, debt from any sources. Okay, so when they are getting debt, no, from that they have half amount of the debt they have to pay for past debts. Okay, so balance debt, balance amount of money they will use for these purposes. Okay, that is known as tax. Okay, so these are the reasons for why we are paying taxes. Okay, students, thank you.